Padme Hum, Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum.
Besides my Thangka art courses on location, I'll be offering online courses as well, starting from now. Just go to www.schoolfortibetanbuddhistart.com. But before I tell you more about the school, let me explain a bit more about why I created these online courses. My name is Carmen. I've been teaching the art of Tibetan Buddhist Thangka drawing and painting for almost 20 years now. Always in a regular setting, different places, different locations all over the world. And for many years people have asked me, can't you offer an online course? And it's something I've always said no to because it's such an ancient tradition and I wanted to stay true to that tradition that has been passed on from master to students for so many centuries. But things are changing in the world. I thought I really only would like to do this if it can really be of benefit to people and if I can really create a proper course so you would have this same experience as if you were sitting here in my art studio in Amsterdam, the Netherlands, if you're sitting up opposite of me and you're taking a private class with me. So I hope you can feel and experience that I've put the same care and love into creating this course and that you'll get the complete package. So not only the art sessions, the drawing sessions, but also all the background, philosophy, lectures behind it, and also the meditations that go along with it, and the mantra. So you get a complete package. I hope you enjoy it, and I would love to see your artwork when it's done. So back to the online school for Tibetan Buddhist art. When you get to the homepage, you'll see the featured courses that are there. Just scroll down and check out the courses that are offered. And besides the Thangka courses, we will also be offering separate lectures and meditation programs. And when you select a course, it brings you to the course program. Then just scroll down and read all the info about this course. And if you scroll down further, you'll get to the different plans that are offered. All Thangka courses come in 3 different options, depending on the amount of individual guidance that I offer. If you choose the deluxe plan, for example, all the art materials that are needed for the course are being sent to you beforehand. And in this plan, also a 1-hour private video meeting with me is included, so you can ask me all your questions or I can show you colored pencil techniques and so on. So then just go ahead, choose your plan and click on the enroll button, after which you get different payment options. Enjoy the course and see you in class!